Namaste and welcome to another episode of Wellness Bites with Gauri. Hi, I'm Gauri Janarkar. I'm the founder of Ayurnutrition, an integrative and holistic wellness practice here in Dallas, Fort Worth. Your Ayurveda, nutrition, and wellness expert, a registered licensed dietitian, an Ayurveda practitioner, and a certified diabetes educator. So, welcome to the new decade. We have come into the new decade 2020, and as we come into the new decade, comes a bigger responsibility. That means taking better care of our health and wellness. Now we are towards the end of the winter season, and we'll be slowly transitioning into this spring. Now, as we transition, a lot of times our bodies do encounter or do feel those subtle changes. These could be, colds and coughs, and the sniffles and things, seasonal allergies. So let's think about what can we do to have a smoother transition into the next season. How can we boost our immunity? A few tips I would like to share. One, make sure you're drinking warm water, you're well hydrated. Second, you're adding more seasonal fruits and vegetables into your diet because these are packed with a lot of those nutrients and those minerals necessary for the body that can also give a boost to our immunity. Third is taking care of our digestion, having more easy to digest foods. Also, we can add more spices, not only for the taste, but also for adding more of those health and wellness benefits. Now, I remember growing up in India, whenever we had a change of season and if we had any sniffles or colds, mom would actually make this wonderful turmeric milk for us which we would have at night before we go to bed. And that actually helped us to transition more smoothly into the next season, helped our bodies with a really good immunity, give it a nice boost. So today I'm actually going to show you how to make this really nice turmeric cardamom milk, which has just three ingredients. You have turmeric, you have cardamom, and you have milk. The turmeric is known as the golden spice. It's known for its anti-inflammatory and its antioxidant properties, anti-cancer properties. According to Ayurveda, it's considered tridoshik. That means it helps to balance vata, pitta, and kapha. The second ingredient we're going to use is cardamom, known as ela or elaichi. Now, cardamom is also known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. According to Ayurveda, it helps to balance kapha and pacifies vata. So, if there's any gas or bloating issues, it helps with that. It's a good digestive. It's also considered a good breath freshener. So, just chewing a few seeds of this green cardamom actually helps to freshen the breath as well. So today's episode, I'm going to show you how to make this turmeric and cardamom milk. So follow me into the kitchen.